So you went looking for your Google Keep reminders and they're just not there, or Keeps stopped buzzing you altogether and you're wondering what on earth happened to them. Take a breath because nothing's lost. Not a single one. Your reminders didn't disappear on you. They've just moved house. Let me show you exactly where they've gone, what you need to do. It's dead simple. Here's the story. Google's moved all your Keep reminders into a different app called Google Tasks. It's a change they made on their side and it's rolling out to every account, so it'll reach yours if it hasn't already. You didn't do anything wrong and there's no undoing it. That's just how it is, but your reminders are completely safe. Same reminders, same times. They've only changed address. You'll even see a From Keep tag on each one so you know where they came from. So where exactly are they? 3 places. First, they're still sitting right there on your Keep note, so that hasn't gone anywhere. Second, and this is the new bit, they're now in Google Tasks and they'll show up on your Google Calendar too on the day and time they're due. And third, your older reminders get gathered into a special list called Old Google Keep Reminders. So if you're missing some from a while back, that's where to look. Nothing's been binned, it's all just tidied into these spots. Now, 3 things genuinely worth knowing. 1, Keep itself no longer sends you the reminder, so if you were relying on Keep buzzing you, that's why it went quiet. 2, this is the important one, go and turn on your notifications in Tasks or Calendar so you don't miss a single reminder. That's the one job to do today. And 3, if you want to change the wording on a reminder, you do that over in Tasks or Calendar now, not Keep. One last thing, those location reminders that went off when you arrive somewhere, they're gone. The old ones just keep the place written as plain text. So from here on in, to see your reminders or make a new one, open Google Tasks. Just open the Tasks app and they are all there. Or find them on the calendar on the right day. Add a new one with the plus button, give it a date and time, and it'll remind you the same as ever. So that's it. Nothing's lost. It's just moved house. The one thing to do today is check your tasks or calendar notifications are switched on. And hopefully this has helped you out.